Hello YouTube, this is Mark Woods with another video. We're into the dash, but we ain't all the way in. We're about to get way in there. But I don't know, let me see what bit I have on. Oh, a 7mm. So a 7mm should do the trick if the camera will focus. Never mind, but it's a 7mm, so 7mm screws to get the radio out. As far as to pop the dash out, all you gotta do is just basically pop it out. You could unconnect this if you want to get everything out your way though, but I figure I got enough room without unconnecting that. That's the air conditioning controls, interface and all. But yeah, let me get started. I wish I can do all this with one hand and go through the whole thing with you guys, but let's get started. All right, guys, feel like we back. So what I'm doing right now is picking out the wires, from the wire diagram, and I'm just T-tapping into the wires. I'm gonna keep you guys posted as I keep on going. Man, I finally got around to doing it though, and I had it all planned out, so which is pretty good though. So let's keep on going, y'all. All right, we back now. We got as far as heck right now. Those T-taps work real good. Plus I had the diagram for the radio, and because of that I like to send a shout out to Cody. Cody, he's the guy from Baltimore, so he just helped me out of nowhere and stuff, and he was able to find that find that whatchamacallit, we call it the diagram, the radio diagram. He was able to find that, and I really appreciate it. There go all three of the batteries. The amp rack sitting right there. It's gonna be a little bit taller. Man, everything just don't go as planned, you know what I'm saying? But it ain't gonna be that much tall, but it's gonna be tall. I mean, it will work. But there you go. It's gonna work though, but stuff is gonna be seen. So only thing I can do in the event of that though, but just keep on hooking it up though. I mean, like, I didn't have enough speaker wire either, so I'm gonna have to add speaker wire on. That's the speaker wire right there. Ran from the front and the back of the radio, as y'all seen earlier in the video, using the T-taps. Man, this is not an easy job, y'all. Cause like I said, it's just the beginning. So it'll always be a little roadblock I might have to run into, like the battery. It is so hard to get to. So it's just like, man, got up under there, all the way up under there. I thought it was gonna make it easier, for the battery to be where it's at, but I was wrong. But yeah, don't have too far to go, man. Don't have too far to go at all. So we'll be back. Yeah, we back. It was a hard job, but we got most of it done. Let's go ahead and check it out. I haven't put the woofers up in here yet, so I don't know how it sounds yet. I'll have to, let me get on the other side. Well, first of all, it's the LCI. I'm gonna neaten it up. I mean, it's just, right now it is what it is. I'm just trying to get bass up in here right now, so it ain't gonna be too much going on. And that I only got one. I got 2 batteries hooked up. I'm gonna hook up the third one later because I ran out of power wire, so I got to make another power wire. Let's see. I mean, as you can see, everything is basically the same. It's a setup, but like I said, I gotta go ahead and hook. I still gotta hook up the 4-channel amp. It's always last to get hooked up. I can hook up the woofers, and we should be ready to roll with the woofers. See another distributor box back here. Like I said, all 3 of the batteries fit perfectly up in there. But as you can see, all the 4 batteries fitted perfectly up in there. I mean, the setup is coming. It's coming good. I mean, let's go over here. Let everything come down. Yep. There we go. Now I got the remote wire coming from the LCI going into the amp. Like I just got to hook up the speakers to the amp, and then I'll be able to tune everything and see how we can get those working. I mean, that's just basically it, man. Ain't too much more I can explain. You know, like hooking up the LCI, I still ain't getting a chance to see, you know, how it works or how it goes into action. So let me just recap what I did. I just, went into the dash, tapped into the speaker wires, you know, from the wire diagram that was given to me by Cody. And then, well, I still got 4 sets of wires left. So to run into the 4-channel amp, which is going to be easy. It got too late now. And people are here to kick it, and we're about to pretty much enjoy ourselves. But like I said, everything is good. Everything is ready to go. We'll have the 4-channel amp hooked up very, very soon. And you guys will get a demo very, very soon. It's been a heck of a journey with it so far. We made so much progress, and I am proud of it. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you do, smash that like button. If you're new and love car audio, please consider subscribing. This is Mark Woods. I'm out.